Coverage on Operation Sindoor, and the latest that we are picking up is that the government has issued urgent directions to telecom companies amidst the India-Pakistan tensions. Let us now go across to Ashmit for what he's picking up from his sources. Ashmit.
Well, with growing India-Pakistan tensions, very clear, urgent directions being given by the government to the telcos with respect to having a state of preparedness, with respect to ensuring seamless connectivity, especially in these times of national security. The telcos, importantly, have conveyed back to the government a sense of preparedness, readiness, and an agreement to comply with these directions. So what are these directions? Well, number one, the government has directed the telecom companies to ensure that there is a list of critical infrastructure that is prepared, especially for infrastructure that lies along the international border. Speaking of the border, the government has also directed the telcos to ensure that towers which fall within a 100-kilometer radius of the international border have uninterrupted connection. There is no disruption, at least as far as these towers are concerned, the BTS stations are concerned. There should be no interruption. Not just that, the other direction that has fallen, number 3, from the government to the telcos is that should there be any request from the Ministry of Defence for ensuring specific communication facilities, those services have to be rendered by the telecom companies. With respect to logistics, well, that's another aspect the government comes in on, says that ensure that all telecom towers, all BTS stations have required fuel. They are sufficiently stocked with respect to fuel. They have DG sets if required. There should not be any interruption in power. With respect to deployment of strategic deployment of repair and maintenance crews, here again the government says that they should be strategically deployed to ensure that if at all there is a tower site that is currently offline, then these crews can be deployed to bring those towers back online, that network back online. There's also direction to ensure that there is inter-circle roaming. That basically means that if one network provider goes down, then the other network provider, other telecom companies can allow the users of the former to piggyback on the latter to allow for seamless connectivity. And finally, the telecom companies have also been directed to ensure a war room where they can plan for contingencies, for scenarios. Clearly, urgent directions being given. Telco saying we're geared, we're prepared.
Ashmit, thanks a lot for that.